Imagine entering a high-end custom home. The finishes are premium, and the architectural lines are sharp. But someone flipped the master switch, and every light blazes at full brightness. The space feels flat, clinical, and completely uninviting. With a single touch, the overheads drop to a warm 20%. The art lighting snaps into focus. The kitchen pendants glow. Instantly, the depth of the room transforms. The fixtures didn't change, and the physical architecture remained the same. The difference is the invisible coordination plan, a strategy that dictates exactly how those lights work together to support the architecture. This experience relies on meticulous pre-planning that happens long before the walls are closed. During the architectural phase, designers must map out every control location and wire pathway, ensuring the technology is integrated into the home's skeleton. All control cables route to a central utility room. This QSX processor acts as the system brain, using its Ethernet ports to manage every keypad. It coordinates with dimming modules that manage actual electrical loads, using phase-adaptive technology for stable illumination across all LEDs. When you account for individual circuit IDs, load types, PDU power consumption for keypad loops, and specific dimming signals, a designer is managing hundreds of technical variables to ensure the system is engineered correctly before a single fixture is installed. Once the home is occupied, that technical complexity recedes, and the system begins to follow the daily rhythm of the household. A welcome scene might illuminate the entryway as you arrive, while a dine setting automatically balances layers of light to create a warm atmosphere for the evening. Transitioning into evening and night light modes maintains safe pathways throughout the home, while softening architectural highlights to match a quieter mood. Homeowners interact with these curated daily experiences, leaving the underlying electrical logic to run entirely in the background. This streamlined approach eliminates the visual noise of a traditional wall cluttered with a massive bank of switches. In a complex room, guessing which of 6 identical toggles operates the porch light creates a persistent, subtle friction. True harmony also requires managing natural light. Motorized shades can be programmed to react dynamically to the sun's position throughout the day. As shades lower to reduce glare and protect interiors, the artificial lights can simultaneously ramp up, maintaining a consistent atmosphere regardless of the time of day. Unifying artificial and natural light control removes the need for manual adjustments and creates a balanced living environment. Every one of these living scenes is constructed within the Lutron designer software long before the move-in date. The load assignments and programming happen during the blueprint phase, ensuring the hardware is ready to perform the moment it is addressed on site. This chart visualizes the essential link. The initial architectural plan dictates the hardware installation, which ultimately determines the human experience. A high-quality lighting experience is the result of deliberate strategy, ensuring that expensive hardware delivers a predictable, sophisticated result. When guests are gathered at night and the architecture is perfectly lit, the technology supporting the moment remains out of sight. There are no screens to navigate or apps to open during a conversation. The home simply responds to the way it was designed to be used. Premium lighting control succeeds when it becomes entirely invisible, allowing the home to feel naturally attuned to its inhabitants.